Hi guys, another day on Tutorials Ghana. My name is Maserati the creator and welcome back to this WordPress tutorial. So guys, today we are going to learn how to enter our cPanel where we can install our WordPress. So I'm entering my account, which is the WordPress tutorial maserati.epz.com. Sure. So guys, what you need to do is you tap on control panel, and now you will be moving to the cPanel or the control panel of our site. So at this page you select I approve. So guys, so our cPanel is loading. My connection is very slow for today, but let's try to cope with it. Okay guys, so this is our cPanel. So we have the preferences, file, database, we have the domain, email, we have the metrics, security, and have the software. So right now we are going to the Softaculous app installer. That's where you are going to install our WordPress. So let's click on Softaculous apps installer. So guys, there we go. You can see we have the WordPress, Joomla, the Abanticat, PHP, BB. By for as you are going to install WordPress, so you click on it, install. So because we've not installed our SS, or which we'll be tackling next time, we can use the HTTPS. So unless you use the HTTP, right? Yeah, and make sure here is empty, and we are installing the latest version of WordPress. And here is where you insert our blog name. So I'll not change it, I'll leave it as normal. And here is where you enter your username. So I'll choose admin, and a password I'll choose pass, since this is a tutorial. Then that's it. When you're done with this, you scroll to the down and click on install. Hooray! Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. WordPress has been installed at WordPress tutorial maserati.epz.com. Guys, so the WordPress is installed successfully. So let's try to visit our website by clicking this URL. Sure. Hooray! Guys, our WordPress website is installed. So we've installed our WordPress website. So we are done with our first website. So in the next lesson, we are going to learn about how to design our website and other stuffs. If you think this video was helpful, kindly consider subscribing, like this video, share, and also don't forget to comment. If there's a problem, make sure you drop it at the comment section. Also check the description. There's my WhatsApp group there. You can join and ask any question you wish to ask, or check out this WordPress playlist for more video from the beginning to where we are now. Thank you. My name is Maserati the creator. I'm out.